If your dApp's always lagging, you're stuck on shared RPCs and you're missing out. Time for an upgrade. Let's get you a dedicated node. First, spin up a Google Cloud VM with Muscle. Think at least 16 GB of RAM and a 2 TB SSD. This is your node's new home, so don't skimp on resources. Next, lock in a static IP and set up firewall rules. Open ports 30303 and 9000 for P2P and 8545 for RPC traffic. Think of these as the front doors for your node's visitors. Install Geth for the execution layer and Lighthouse for consensus. Sync with Ethereum. Grab a coffee, this part takes a while. Ready to go public? Expose port 8545 for RPC. But don't forget security. Restrict access or use a reverse proxy with authentication. Set up cloud logging and monitoring so you catch issues before your users do. And finally, schedule regular backups, because even nodes need a safety net. Congrats! You're now running a dedicated Ethereum node. No more sharing required.